Hello everyone, this is Bindu. I would like to say something about my mentor Manoj Gupta sir and how my data science journey started. I came to know about this data science foundation program running by Rethink Career Hub through YouTube. I have seen so many testimonials, like how so many people transformed their careers and how many people they got good job opportunities after joining in this course. So I joined this course 1 month back, and I'm learning so many uh, data science tools such as Python, NumPy, Power BI, Pandas, etc. Sir is taking much efforts to train us in a better way. And suppose if we are having any doubts also, Sir is clearing the doubts in the same session itself. And we are very blessed to have such a wonderful mentor who not only teaching us in a better way to transform our careers, but also to get a good job uh, in by learning this course. Thank you so much, Manoj Gupta sir, for being our mentor and for transforming our lives. Really, it is a rethink. We have to rethink about our lives, where our life is, and how our life is going. And since 18 years of experience, since I'm having 18 years of experience, I don't know how to transform my career. But after joining in this course, I came to one idea that how I can transform my career through a good guide like you. And I'm very much blessed to have a wonderful mentor like you, Manoj Gupta sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.